Yo, this crazy edit you're looking at, it's blowing up right now. And it's got real viral potential. Not just for views, but for serious cash too. And today we're making it from scratch in Capcut. Hold up, don't skip just yet. Give me a few seconds. If you're not hooked, swap away. No hard feeling. Here's something most people don't know. YouTube Shorts pays around 10 to 20 cents per 1,000 views. Sounds small? Maybe. But if just one of your videos pops off and hits 1 million views, that's already thousands of dollars. Take this fan page for example. They post clean pro level edits just like the one I'm about to show you. They hit around 700 million views a month. That's over $50,000 in earning. Oh, bro, where's your Lamborghini, bro? If I were you, I'd stick around because I'm about to teach you exactly how to make one of these viral edits right now inside Capcut. Here's what you're gonna learn: how to turn your own photos into a stunning Ghibli style animation using AI, plus how to fully build and edit it into a scroll stopping short. Let's jump in. Alright guys, first of all, as you can see, I've already added all the clips and music, and I've marked all the beats in this song. You should always do this before you start editing. Trust me, it's important things. It helps you stay organized and makes your edits looks cleaner. Now, one of the most important things in editing is picking the right ratio of format. For me, I always go with 3:4 because it's honestly the best option for football edits. Next up, I scale up the clips so they fill the entire frame. Also, whenever there's a shot or the subject moves quickly, you need to add keyframes so the scene doesn't go off frame. For example, here Ronaldo is shooting and ball moves to right. So I add a keyframe that also moves to the right so to match the motion. Okay, I've done that for all the clips. Now it's time for the next step. At the end of each section where we want to apply the Ghibli style, we're going to freeze the frame, take a screenshot, and move on to the AI part. To turn our image into Ghibli style, go to ChatGPT, upload your image, and type, "Can you transform this image to Ghibli style?" Wait a few seconds and boom! The AI will give you a beautiful Ghibli version of your image. Download it and head back to Capcut. Now open Capcut and remove the freeze frame screenshots and replace them with the AI generate Ghibli style that you made. Now let's spice things up a little. We're going to add a shake effect to make the edit more dynamic. So go to Effects, Shake. Tap on it, go to Object, Apply to All, and Confirm. Let's tweak the shake a bit. Add two keyframes at the start and end. On the last keyframe, set everything to 0. What the fuck? On the first keyframe, set speed to 25 and intensity to 50, and then apply my custom graph. Next, go to Effects and pick Blur, just like I showed in previous videos. Follow my exact steps. And then copy the blur effects 4 times. After that, go to Effects again and pick Camera Tracking and adjust this setting exactly like mine. Now the final effects, rebound swing. This one gives the shake effect an extra bounce. In the adjust section, set a speed to 10 and size to 15. Apply all these effects to the next parts of your videos too. Now, after doing all that, why not add song animation? Use rock vertically as your animation and again apply it to all relevant clips. Lastly, go to overlay and add a white screen. Set it to overlay mode. Give it a fade out and apply it across all your edits. Oh my god, bro, that was honestly super easy but really effective. As you can see, you can create stunning results just using your phone and Capcut. Enjoy those millions of views and start making money from your edits. Don't forget to subscribe, bro. Peace.